After the First World War, the status of Montenegro was to change dramatically. At a meeting in an old cigarette factory, Montenegro was blotted off the map. A parliament of clan leaders declared Montenegro Serbian territory. We have the same blood, language and aspiration, it said. Montenegrins apparently faced a stark choice. Many Montenegrins believed they would be better off as part of Serbia. The fault line in Montenegro emerged. Montenegro's king was forced to flee abroad. The country's church lost its independence. Serb soldiers spent a decade crushing a rebellion by Montenegrins who were fighting to restore their monarchy. After the Second World War, the communist leader Marshal Tito established today's Montenegro within the former Yugoslavia. Tito's communism silenced both Montenegrin and Serb nationalism.